Imran, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to integrate your Orion SMS plugin in WordPress contact form. So this plugin is basically used to do an SMS verification in your contact form or any type of form. It could be registration form, login form, for forgot password and things like that. Okay, so I'm making this video in response to a query that I have received from M&A Joseph, and he says that he needs to work on the comment form, and if we can make it work, and then it should be allowed anywhere, just the comment for verification of user. And he would also want if we can provide the email verification option in this plugin as well. So thank you so much for writing to us, Aman Joseph. Okay, and yes, I will go ahead and answer your questions. The very first question is that can we integrate this in comment form? So let me tell you, this plugin already has that functionality that it can be integrated in any type of form, not just your registration or login form, but even your comment form or any other type of the form. All you have to do is just provide the ID of the form and the submit button, etc. And then that's it. It will work. So I'll show that to you how to integrate that in the comment form. So I have activated the WordPress theme, which is the 2015. Okay, I can see over here, and if I go to any particular post, let's say this one, and if I go to that particular page, you will notice that there is a so you'll notice that this is the comment form, and right now I can just go ahead and comment over here. It doesn't provide any validation. So if I want to integrate a validation, I would want that there should be a mobile input field over here, and it should allow me to enter my mobile number. Then I should get some SMS on my mobile for verification. Only then should it allow me to post any comment. I can do that with the plugins. I'll just show that to you. So I'll go ahead and activate the plugin. You can see once the plugin is activated, there is a tab over here which is Orion OTP. This is for the settings. You will go to obviously you will enter the auth key and the sender's ID and country code and all of that, which you will get on the message 91 site, and then you will come over here. So this works with user registration or contact form or any other form for that matter. So make sure that you go ahead and put the contract form. So the first field that's required, which is the contact form selector. So if you go over here, if you do an inspect element and you check form, okay, I'm just going to zoom it in a little bit so you can see. So this is basically the form element, and my selector ID is comment form. So you can see this is the comment form. Basically this is the ID. So all you have to do is copy this ID of the form element for this particular form or whichever form you're using, and just make sure you put hash. Just going to zoom in, hash, and then the ID. Okay, and then I need the submit button selector, either the ID or the class name. If it's class name, that is should prefixed with dot. So I'll go over here, I'll look for, this is my submit button inspect element, and this is my submit button and ID is submit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put hash, and then submit is the ID. Okay, and do you want to create a mobile input field? So you'll say yes. Pre-existing mobile input field, this field you will fill if the form already has a mobile input field. Only then you will enter the field name over here, otherwise we leave this blank. Then whatever message you want to send, so this is example, so I can say your one-time password is, and make sure you wrap the OTP keyword in the curly braces. Okay, and then just at this point just put any random number for now. You just need to fix this point. Okay, this is for forgot password. If you want forgot password option, so we don't want that, so we'll just put some random ID over here just to ensure that we don't have a forgot password tab into the comment form. And now if I go ahead and refresh it, sure enough you can see that now you have a mobile input field over here. just add it below the comment, inside of the comment form. You have the OTP required option as well, and you have an option to send the OTP as well. Okay, so all I have to do is put my mobile number over here and then send OTP, and then it will allow me to submit the form. If the user now tries to post something and tries to submit this form, it won't work. So you can see it says please verify OTP first. So now none of the users, even if they are logged in, they won't be able to post any comment without verifying their mobile number. So we have added this functionality over here. Okay, so I hope that helps, Amanda Joseph. Into your first query, the second query you had was whether we can provide an email verification option in this plugin as well. Well, this plugin was mainly designed for SMS OTP verification, hence we have not included that. But yes, I think it's a very good suggestion you've made, that yes, we can integrate it, and definitely I will consider integrating email verification into this plugin as well, and then yes, you will be able to do that in this plugin as well once that is done. So I will notify you once we've added that. Okay, so we are looking forward to upgrade this plugin and creating more options like WooCommerce as well in coming future. So stay tuned then. I hope that helps. Thank you very much. Bye bye.